Pleasurable morning, scientists of the universe. Tonight we're going to draw Dr. E RASER, otherwise known as Dr. Nocturne from Yokai Watch 3. Drawing this guy is a lot easy. He has the ability to levitate chemicals using only his fingers. How interesting is that? There's his ghost tail. Now we draw the rest of him. You know who his father is.
I'm unbeatable. Walking down this endless highway, nothing but my friends beside me. We'll never give in, we'll never rest. Advanced battle is the ultimate test. From the earth, the land, the sea and sky, they can never win, but they sure can try. I'm unbeatable, Pokemon. Advanced battle. I'm undefeatable. For the stars in the ancient past, they come to play, but they'll never last.
Here are the test tubes, the beakers. Alexa, what is a beaker?
Here is what I found. According to Wikipedia, Eager was a British thoroughbred racehorse. In a career that lasted from April 1791 to July 1795, he ran 22 times and won 10 races. In 1791 he proved himself one of the best British colts of his generation, by winning the Derby and 4 other races. Eager won a further 4 races in 1792, but the level of his form declined thereafter and he won only 1 race in his last 3 seasons.
Alexa, what is a centrifuge?
Here's something I found on Crunchbase. Sentry is a company located in Seattle, Washington. Their description says, Sentry provides advanced security for the Internet of Things.
Okay, sorry about that. That's all for now. Second source, see you later. Good night.